Make a great choice today with the 2019 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, rain-sensing wipers, front-wheel independent suspension, remote vehicle start. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.